Dance collaboration, uniting moves and cultures. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic that combines art, culture, and teamwork: dance collaboration. If you've ever wondered what happens when dancers from different backgrounds or styles come together, you're in the right place. Let's embark on this journey to understand the beauty and complexity of dance collaborations. Dance collaboration refers to the process where dancers, choreographers, or dance groups from different dance forms, styles, or cultural backgrounds work together to create a new performance piece. This partnership can lead to the blending of styles, the sharing of ideas, and the creation of something truly unique and innovative. The key to a successful dance collaboration is mutual respect and openness to learning from one another. Dance collaborations are important for several reasons. Firstly, they foster cultural exchange and understanding, as participants share their backgrounds and traditions. Secondly, they push the boundaries of dance, encouraging creativity and innovation. Collaborations can lead to groundbreaking performances that challenge the audience's perceptions and broaden the appeal of dance as an art form. Moreover, they provide a platform for personal growth for the dancers and choreographers involved, as they are exposed to new techniques, ideas, and perspectives. To illustrate the concept, let's look at some examples of successful dance collaborations. One notable example is the collaboration between ballet and contemporary dance, where the precision and grace of ballet meet the fluidity and expressiveness of contemporary dance. Another example is cross-cultural collaborations, such as between traditional Indian Bharatanatyam dancers and Western hip-hop artists, creating performances that are rich in diversity and innovation. These examples show how dance collaborations can transcend cultural and stylistic boundaries, creating performances that are engaging, educational, and entertaining. Creating a successful dance collaboration involves several key steps. First, it's crucial to establish a clear vision and goals for the project. Communication is vital. Participants must be willing to share ideas openly and listen to each other. Respect for each other's skills and backgrounds is essential, as is the willingness to compromise and adapt. Finally, successful collaborations often involve experimentation and flexibility, as the fusion of different styles can lead to unexpected challenges and discoveries. We hope this video has shed light on the exciting world of dance collaboration, showcasing its potential to unite people, cultures, and dance forms. Whether you're a dancer, a choreographer, or simply a lover of the arts, there's no denying the power of collaboration to inspire and innovate. Thank you for joining us on this exploration, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the wonderful world of English language and culture. Until next time, keep dancing and keep learning.